Just realized that this is a follow-up video, and we have it all back assembled here. I used the glue to set it inside the housing. I actually had to nip the outer ring in order to make sure, I don't know if you can see that, I had to nip those outer rings in order to make sure that those connectors had enough room to push the speaker all the way down in there. But the speaker went in beautifully. You can see the speaker went in beautifully. The back of it, there's one modification you have to make. You actually have to, this is the original speaker. Wait, let me get over here. This is the original speaker. Let's see if I can get something to point with. This is the original speaker right here. And then this is the speaker after it's been modified right here. So there's the original speaker over there. So you have to cut off that bottom base. That bottom base right there doesn't serve a purpose. You actually connecting your wires directly to the speaker here and here. Okay. Definitely take off that bandpass filter. That bandpass filter is only for removing bass. There's no bass coming out of this unit at all, so you don't need that, and it reduces the total wattage that the speaker gets, so it reduces the total volume. So my father-in-law is going to go ahead and turn the unit on. I'll hold it still. He's going to turn the unit on so you can hear the sound that comes out of it. It takes a moment to start up. And that's on max volume. All right, go ahead and shut it down, shut it down. So that is an obvious and known problem that the manufacturer is letting go out, and then they're charging people, they're charging veterans to repair these things. They know that these are being used primarily for military honor guards. I don't understand a company that can do that to people, and I have nothing against the company. It's just, I'm an engineer, so when I see something that's faulty and designed to fail, and then the manufacturer charges you, I think there's just something wrong with that equation. But that's me on my side. Don't hold that against the people who make it. I mean, if they didn't make it, we would have to have trumpeters that we don't. We'd have to teach kids music, which no one teaches kids music anymore. All right, let me put all my stuff aside, and that is it. If you need to repair it, if you have any questions, let me know. We've done this. We've successfully done this, and if you need to do it, then let me know. All right, take care, and God bless.